Hello, welcome to Click2Cloud. Today in this video I am going to demonstrate about billing, budget management and optimization of multi-cloud spends. CloudsBrain Cost Manager tool helps customers to manage their cloud cost depending on daily, monthly resource usage. Go to the CloudsBrain URL and enter the credentials. First we will create a team. It is important to create a team if a user wants to see the billing details of cloud spends. For creating a team, go to Compute, select Clouds and then select Providers. Select a cloud provider of which you want to see the billing details. Go to the Policy drop-down menu and select Edit Tags. Here in the Category drop-down menu, select an option and from the Value drop-down select any one of your choice to put in Team and then click Save. Now we will set our budget for future security. If the consumption exceeds the budget limit, user will receive a mail accordingly. For setting the budget, go to Cost Manager and select Budget. Then select a department for which you want to set the budget. Select a budget year from the calendar, enter budget and budget percent. After setting the budget, enter email address and click Save. Now we'll see billing details, go to Cost Manager and select Billing. A dashboard of billing appears that displays the supported multi-cloud providers. We support Alibaba, AWS, Azure, GCP, Huawei and Orange Cloud in billing. Now if a user wants to see the billing details of Alibaba Cloud, click it and the user can see Alibaba Cloud details such as Overview, Details, Cost Trend, and Predictions. User can select a predefined option from the calendar or can specify a date range manually. Select a date range and click Apply. This will show the usage cost, total budget, estimated saving, coupon plus discount, tax and actual cost. Also you can see the expense versus budget graph. You can also view resource utilization which shows the actual cost over time period. In Details, it gives complete details of services used in an entire month. It provides details of every regions. In Cost Trend it gives information about daily usage and total cost of each service. We can see the maximum service usage and minimum service usage. In Predictions it shows the historical usage cost of the selected cloud account and predictive usage cost of the selected cloud account. Now we will see Optimization. Go to Cost Manager and select Optimization. It shows multiple reports say Cost Analysis. In Cost Analysis we select a team, cloud account and duration then click Apply. After this it shows the Cost Analysis report. Likewise it consists of multiple reports like Cost versus Budget, Actual Cost over Time, Resource Usage by Cloud Provider, Resource Usage over Time, Annual Projected by Service. To check out more videos on CloudsBrain, stay tuned to click2cloud.com. Thank you.